Hey guys, welcome to my Python video tutorial series. In this video, we will be discussing about the last type of collection data types, that is sets, in detail. So let's get started. So a set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. In Python, in order to create set, we write them with curly braces. So if we want to create a set S, we write A, comma B, comma C. The only difference with tuple is that in tuple we write the values within parentheses, and to create a set we write them within curly braces. Okay, so print the type of S. You can see we have created a set. We can also create a set by the set constructor available in Python. We'll be doing the same thing but using the set constructor. Okay, as you can see, we have done the same thing. So sets are unordered, so you cannot be sure in which order the items will appear. Okay, and that is the reason why sets have no index assigned to the values. That is, you cannot access items in a set by referring to an index. Suppose if I write print s of 0, then you can see set object is not subscriptable. That is, there is no indexing present in sets. Okay, you have to remember that point. So now if I want to check if an item exists in S or not, I will do the same thing that I have been doing so far. I'll write A in S. I'll be getting true. If I write D in S, I'll be getting false. Okay, so set is also an immutable collection data type. So once a set is created, you cannot change its item, but you can add new items to it. Let's see how to add new items to it. Okay, so if I write s.add and I add D to the set, okay, sorry, I have to write s.add parenthesis and we add D to the set. Okay, as you can see, we have added D to the set, but the order of the set has been changed. So that's what makes set unordered, and indexing cannot be done in set. So I can also add new items, a list of items, by writing s.update and I write D, E, F, let's make it G, because sets also contain unique objects. So if I pass duplicate values, it will store it as unique object. Display A, we can see that C, F, A, E, G, B and D all are stored in the set. So now let's see how to remove items from a set. If I write s.remove A, and you can see A has been removed from the set. And also write s.pop, and see C has been popped from the set. What pop function does is that it pops the last item from the set, but since sets are unordered, so when using the pop method, you will not know which item gets removed from the set. Okay, So now let's see how to join two sets. Okay, writing A comma B comma C. I'll be creating another set S2 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Then in order to join the two sets, I will write S3 is equal to S1 dot union S2. Okay, so if I print S3, you can see all the elements are merged, but the order has been changed. Another way to do this is we can write S1 dot update S2. So S1 will be now extended to S2. You can see S1 is now extended to S2. Similarly, if you want to display the length of that particular set, then just write ln of S1. You see we get 6. So if we want to clear or delete a set, we can write s1 dot clear function that clears set S1. It is an empty set now. You can also write the delete keyword and specify this as suppose S2. You can see S2 does not exist now because we have deleted the set, so we get an error that S2 is not defined. Okay, so this will be all for this video. In the next video, we'll be discussing about basic input and output in Python. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask them in the comment section. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.